Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which word build you're on and saving a backup copy. This preserves your work. Once done, reproduce the error step by step while recording the exact message and what you clicked. This matters. Make sure to close other add-ins and test in safe mode to isolate extensions. You will need administrator rights for some fixes, so sign in or request access now. These first actions give you the diagnostic data and a safe copy to work from. They prevent accidental data loss and speed troubleshooting. Next, repair Word's core files. Open Programs apps, choose Office and run Quick Repair. If problems persist, run Online Repair for a deeper fix. Once repaired, disable all add-ins and re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. Inspect the document for corrupted elements. Embedded objects, macros, and huge images can crash Word, so extract or paste plain text into a new file if needed. Also, update Office and Windows. Patches often resolve obscure errors and improve stability. Finish by recovering or rebuilding the document. Use Open and Repair or copy content into a new document to strip corruption. If problems trace to templates, rename normal. .m to force Word to recreate it. This resets customizations but often fixes persistent errors. Make sure you update and reboot. Some issues require a clean start. If the error persists, collect error messages, log files and steps to reproduce, and contact support. One key tip: if Word crashes repeatedly, test with a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.